Green tea and ginseng are two natural ingredients that have captivated health enthusiasts for centuries, but why are they so popular? What makes this combination so powerful? If you're curious about how green tea and ginseng can elevate your well-being, keep watching to uncover 7 surprising benefits that could change your daily routine. Green tea is famous for its antioxidant properties, helping the body combat free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. On the other hand, ginseng is known for its adaptogenic properties, which can help the body handle stress while boosting physical and mental energy. But when you combine these two, you get a fusion that is greater than the sum of its parts. In today's fast-paced world, many of us deal with exhaustion, difficulty focusing, and stress. While artificial supplements are available, they often come with side effects or don't align with a natural lifestyle. This is where green tea and ginseng stand out. Their natural properties not only energize, but also provide a calming, balanced boost without the crash associated with caffeine or synthetic stimulants. Together, these ingredients create a dynamic blend of health benefits. Green tea's catechins fight inflammation, improve cardiovascular health, and even aid in weight management. Meanwhile, ginseng enhances cognitive performance, supports immune function, and may improve stamina. Some studies even suggest that this combination could help regulate blood sugar levels, making it ideal for overall wellness. So, how can you bring these benefits into your life? The answer is simple: the daily cup of green tea with ginseng. Brew it in the morning for a revitalizing start to your day, or in the afternoon to ward off fatigue. This tea is not just a drink, it's a health ritual that supports your body and mind. Its unique earthy and slightly sweet flavor will also make every sip enjoyable. If you're seeking a natural way to improve focus, energy, and overall health, green tea and ginseng are worth exploring. They are affordable, accessible, and easy to incorporate into your lifestyle. Imagine feeling more energetic, less stressed, and more focused starting with something as simple as a tea. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Leave a comment below sharing your experience with green tea or ginseng. We'd love to hear your story. See you in the next video, and until then, stay healthy and inspired.